Hey guys, what's up? Today in the Brick Lab, we're taking a look at a few quick changes that I made to Jay's Stormbringer dragon from way back in 2018. So here's yet another one of those builds that I procrastinated on for the longest time until long after it's no longer relevant, and I made the changes to Jay's dragon here back during the Hunted Wave whenever the set was new, but in case you can't tell from the dust on the wings here and, well, all over this thing, it was something that I never quite got around to. Some of the changes that I made to the dragon were mainly to the head and the neck here, instead of it all being one assembly with the spring-loaded shooters coming out of the mouth, which I have to admit is a somewhat clever idea, but was a terrible execution. I basically gave the head some posability and reconstructed it so that the jaw can open and close normally. I realized that Jay's Stormbringer dragon is actually an Eastern dragon, which means that technically they're not supposed to have massive wings, but at the time I didn't know that, so I went ahead and improved the wingspan just a tiny little bit here. Unfortunately, they are just a tiny bit large and ungainly, so, you know, I guess it makes flapping them easier. You just have to lift up and let go and then let gravity do its thing. But then moving over to the tail here is a massive change that I did make, and that was to remove the hinged tail segments here and the little knob that you turn to send the tail flailing back and forth, and I replaced those with just some simple ball joint pieces. It's something that I really wish LEGO would do with their dragons instead of doing that annoying knob contraption, but there you go. And another unfortunate thing is that as time went on, some pieces kind of got used for other builds, so, you know, that's where those are, in case you were wondering. But yeah, in the meantime, we'll do a step-by-step build tutorial real quick, and then we'll get back to some more relevant projects. Alright, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and do all that other good stuff. And if you want to see more of my content, please feel free to check out the other videos on my channel. And if there's something you want to see me build, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below, and I will see what I can do. Again, that's all I have for you guys today, so I will see you next time.